everybody, what's up? I hope you guys are doing absolutely great with this. And today we are going to deal with the doubt solving session for grade 6 to 8. Not only science but all the subjects, all the suggestions that you have asked to me, and all the doubts that you guys have sent me. I have read it out and I have responded to those. I've solved your doubts in this doubt solving session. This is the part 2 doubt solving session. I know doubt solving sessions are very rare on my channel. They do not come very frequently, but of course there are some reasons behind it. Now guys, let us begin with the video. So doubts are taken of Srijin, Saksham Dubey, Harshita, Sushravya, Akshada, Shruti, Harshita Singh, of course. Harshita and Harshita Singh are exactly the same. One is doubt and the other one is suggestion. That's fine. And then Rimjan, fine. So guys, where to ask your doubts and give suggestions? Are you wondering this? पहला question तो यही है, पहला question तो यही है कि where can you guys ask me your doubts and give me your suggestions? So the answer to this question is in the doubt solving form and suggestion form provided in the description box. Link is provided in the description box, so guys don't forget to check it out. It is going to be super amazing with that. And guys, let me tell you before beginning the session that you will get hit a like button like this below this video. Please do hit on that like button, people, because that means a lot. Now, first doubt is by Srijin, how to edit videos. So Srijin, I have made a video on basics of video editing. Please do visit my playlist video editing. You are going to get that. And a second video I have made is how do I make YouTube videos. Okay, so please do visit both of the videos. You're going to get core concept of this question. Now, how to add from left side by Harshita. So Harshita, let me tell you that I have already made a video on addition from left. You can just watch that video, or if you have any doubt from that video, if your doubt is not clear, just go that video in the below that video in the description. That will be a link of session notes. Please do check out the session notes, because if you look at the session notes, if you try to solve those questions, if you look at the session notes, you're going to get the analysis of it. And of course, secondly, please do watch the replay of the session again on how to add from left. You're going to get core concepts of this particular topic. So now by Sushravya, that is, ma'am, how many types of habitats are there, and tell the definition. So let me tell you, Sushravya, there are 2 types of habitats mainly stated in your NCRE as well. That is terrestrial, aquatic. Terrestrial is the habitat in which the organisms live on land. As we humans live on land. We are not flying in the air all the time, or we are not living in water, right? We are living on the land. So we are the people. We are the people or organisms, of course. We are made up of organ systems. So we are the organisms who belong to the terrestrial classification. That classification, of course, you know that. So the second is aquatic, where fishes belong to aquatic because they live in water. They do not live in land because they can only take in oxygen. Of course, they need to take in oxygen, but they can only inhale oxygen which is dissolved in water. And if it is not dissolved in water, they are going to die. They aren't going to get oxygen thoroughly directly from the air as we guys get it, right? So they are going to get, but they cannot use it because they do not have that guts. Actually, this doesn't require guts. This requires a system that is in your body. So fishes belong to those systems only. So there are 2 habitats, and tell the definition. So definition for terrestrial habitats are, you can say that the living organisms which live on land belong to terrestrial habitats, or they are said to be on terrestrial habitats. And the second one is the living organisms which belong to water, which live in water, are said to be living in aquatic, or are said to be aquatic animals in this way. Now, next out is by Akshada. Hi Didi, sorry, I really subscribed your channel. My doubt is in the quiz. They asked what method is used to separate stones and pebbles from sand. This is out of the mega quiz, right? So actually for this the process known as sieving is used. Now I answered it as hand picking. It is absolutely wrong, Akshada. They told sieving is correct. May I know the difference? Thank you. So Akshata, why sieving? Why not hand picking? So at this case, the question is which method is used to separate stones and pebbles from sand. If you want to separate stones and pebbles from sand, you are not going to use hand picking. Why? Because if you pick in hand picking, what is the basic thing that you pick everything from hand. And if some larger particles are there, in let's take it in very simple language, that if you have taken something like a sand, and if in sand there are large pebbles, large stones of course, so you can easily pick them out through hand. That's so easy, right? But if very small pebbles and stones, you can't do that. Okay? And absolutely from sand, impossible to do it. So you can't use hand picking for giving you a clue of the question. I do have a detailed analysis. This was just a clue about it. So now I'm going to tell you difference between hand picking and sieving. So the process used to separate slightly larger particles from a mixture by hand is called hand picking. Means the mixture that you are having, if you are having a salt mixture, okay, a salt, if you are having in a bowl, you are having salt, you need to make sure that you can say in a sense the things that you need to pick, the things that you need to you want that get rid of this salt, you need to make sure that is larger in size as compared to salt if you want to use the method hand picking. हिंदी में अगर बोले तो अगर जैसे कि आपको सॉल्ट लेना है, सॉल्ट लो, उसमें अगर आपको किसी चीज़ को निकालना है, किसी चीज़ को आपको चाहिए कि फ़िल्टर कर दो आप, तो आपको एक चीज़ बहुत ध्यान में रखनी है कि आप जिस चीज़ को हाथ से निकालना चाहते हो, हैंड पिकिंग का ये मेथड यूज़ करना चाहते हो, उस चीज़ को, वो जो चीज़ है वो सॉल्ट से बड़ी होनी चाहिए, ठीक है, इजीली, इसलिए आप निकाल सकते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल स्टोन पीसेस व्हीट राइस में से आप सेपरेट कर सकते हो इजीली, छोटे छोटे पेबल्स आप व्हीट राइस में से इजीली सेपरेट कर सकते हो, पर सैंड में से नहीं पॉसिबल. The process of separating of fine particles from the larger particles by using a sieve. Sieve is what is exactly a sieve? So sieve वो छन्नी जो होती है ना, that our mother uses, वो sieve उसको बोला जाता है आपका sieve, ठीक है. तो do not get confused. तो क्या होता है कि आपका आपको बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े बड़े पार्टिकल्स में से छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स निकालने होते हैं. सॉल्ट से भी छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स आपको दे दिए किसी ने, तो कैसे निकालोगे? यू कैन यूज़ द मेथड सीविंग आउट देयर, ठीक है. तो वही मेथड होता है. तो दिस मेथड इज़ यूज्ड एट आवर होम्स, क्योंकि जो फ्लावर होता है ना उसको मम्मा छनती है, फिर खाना बनता है, तो इसीलिए ये सीव होता है. तो सीविंग क्या होता है, बड़े बड़े में से छोटे छोटे को भी निकाल देता है, लेकिन हैंड पिकिंग क्या होता है, छोटे छोटे में से बड़े बड़े को निकालता है. ये बेसिक डिफरेंस यू गाइस हैव टू रिमेंबर इट. Now moving on to class 8 का ये है. So what are genes by श्रुति? तो genes क्या होते हैं basically? तो यार this is from the chapter maybe cell structure and function or reproduction in animals of course. So genes are the functional units of heredity. Heredity क्या होता है? You must have observed that you are very very similar to your parents. Very very similar when I say maybe your eyes are like your dad, maybe your nose is like your mother, maybe your skin is like your dad, maybe you walk like your mother, maybe your hair is like your mother, or possibly you're growing, of course you're growing, but you look very similar to one of your parents. Maybe you look very similar to your mom, or maybe you look very similar to your dad. That is all because of heredity. So this is all because of DNA that you are going to learn in further classes as well. And guys, a new series is going to come on my channel in the form of surprise in of course another amazing festival. आगे एक फेस्टिवल आने वाला है, जिस फेस्टिवल में मैंने वो सीरीज डालने का डिसाइड किया, उसमें आपको ना ये सारे जो छोटे छोटे जो 4 टॉपिक्स होते हैं जो NCERT छोड़ देता है, वो क्लियर करने वाले हैं हम लोग. क्या होने वाली है सीरीज, क्या होने वाला है, बैंग, आई एम गोइंग टू बी देयर गाइस. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड टू माय चैनल फॉर मोर सच अमेजिंग सरप्राइजेस. तो यार देखो, द क्रोमोसोम इज मेड अप ऑफ DNA containing many genes. क्रोमोसोम्स क्या होता है, एज यू हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न इन सेल स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन चैप्टर, ठीक है. तो उसके अंदर क्या होता है, दैट इज एग्जैक्टली मेड अप ऑफ DNAs एंड DNAs आर हैविंग जीन्स इन दैट. तो हर एक जो जीन होता है उसके पास कुछ दे आर हैविंग सम सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस दैट ये फंक्शन करने का है. दे आर हैविंग सम इंस्ट्रक्शन दैट से दैट आपको ये फंक्शन करने का है ना. एक नॉर्मली बोल दे तो जीन्स एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो हेरिडिटी के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. हेरिडिटी के लिए वही एक चीज़ें हैं जो रिस्पॉन्सिबल रहती हैं, ठीक है. तो आपकी हाइट लंबी होगी या नहीं, ये आपके जीन्स पे डिपेंड करता है, आपके मॉम डैड पे डिपेंड करता है. अगर आपके पेरेंट्स की हाइट अच्छी है तो आपकी भी हाइट बहुत अच्छी होगी, नहीं अच्छी है तो आपकी भी नहीं अच्छी होगी. अच्छा, हर केस में ऐसा नहीं होता, कुछ केसेस में ऐसा होता है, बट ऑफ कोर्स हेरिडिटी तो आप सब में होती है. आप में कुछ ना कुछ इतना सा तो सिमिलर होगा अपने पेरेंट्स से. Now, guys, let us move on to another question for grade 6, that is, what is chemical changes? Fast changes. By Saksham Dubey. So, by chemical changes, it's not always necessary that they are going to be fast changes. ठीक है, chemical changes fast ही होंगे? किसने कह दिया? क्योंकि यार अभी हमने रस्ट के बारे में पढ़ा था. ठीक है, रस्ट क्या होता है? रस्ट इज समथिंग इज अ केमिकल प्रोसेस. ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ केमिकल चेंज. व्हेन आई से इन यूजुअल टर्म्स, एक केमिकल चेंज होता है रस्ट, जिसमें क्या होता है कि आपका ऑक्सीजन इज रिएक्टिंग विद वाटर एंड ऑक्सीजन, वाटर एंड आयरन, दे आर थ्री ऑफ देम आर रिएक्टिंग टुगेदर टू गिव बर्थ to something new, that is your that to give birth to something new, that is your rust. Okay, that is known as iron oxide. Iron oxide is basic in nature, simple. Now guys, this is only a chemical change, but यार iron को rust होने में it takes a lot of time. It's not like आज आपने बाहर रखा, एक्सपोज किया उसको in water and air and it is going to rust. Today only it takes time. So I think chemical changes very there are very you know a lot of examples of chemical changes that are fast. जैसे कि सोडियम को एयर से रिएक्ट करवा लो विगरसली, सोडियम को हॉट वाटर से रिएक्ट करवा लो, सोडियम को कोल्ड वाटर तक से रिएक्ट करवा लो, फॉस्फोरस को एयर से रिएक्ट करवा लो. बहुत जल्दी ये रिएक्शंस होते हैं. ठीक है, फॉस्फोरस सोडियम ये क्या है? तो फॉस्फोरस सोडियम दे आर मेटल. ऑफ कोर्स नॉट. सोडियम इज अ मेटल व्हाइल फॉस्फोरस इज अ नॉन मेटल पीपल. सो फॉस्फोरस इज अ नॉन मेटल. फाइन. तो यार केमिकल चेंजेस आर नॉट ऑलवेज नेसेसरी दैट दे विल बी फास्ट. ठीक है, केमिकल चेंजेस पहली बात वो चेंजेस होते हैं जिनमें एक नया सब्सटेंस निकल करके आता है. अब नाउ इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट दे विल बी फास्ट, दे कैन बी स्लो एज वेल. सो सक्षम दुबे, आई होप you I have cleared it out. Now by Harshita Singh, that's a suggestion. You should start How Does It Work series, in which you can take different machine and electronics software and tell how they work. So actually Harshita, I do not have this much interest in machines and all, but I will actually try to work on your suggestions. But according to me, I do not have interest in these things. But of course a new series is going to come and take on your suggestion, people. Harshita, take on your suggestion. Now by Rimjim, this is by Rimjim. Didi, upload video on English subject also, please. Actually I'm good at English, I'm good at grammar as well. English grammar is like my favorite one when it comes to studying and teaching. But I can't teach English here because with science and going on my channel you get to see a lot of stuff. हर चैनल पे आपको इतना ज़्यादा स्टफ नहीं मिलता, and I want to make my channel best for science, right? So I can't go for English right now, because if I go for English then I'm gonna lose my pace, and I am like actually a kid and I need not to work all the time day and night. And if I want to start even more subject to teach on my channel, I need to work day and night. I don't like that. I only like to work on weekends, because the rest of the days I like to study because I do love studying, yeah. And yeah, I don't think that you are going to get English videos on my channel, but of course let's see if new series is going to come on my channel or not. Guys, if you have any more questions you can write me down in the doubt solving form or description box में link दिया हुआ रहेगा for the suggestion form as well. So thank you for watching this entire video. I hope I have cleared it out. And अगर अभी तक आपने अपना डाउट नहीं पूछा है, क्या कर रहे हो people, go and check out the description box right away. डाउट सॉल्विंग फॉर्म में अपना डाउट लिख दो, कोई भी चैप्टर कोई भी टॉपिक कहीं से भी वो बस उठा के लिख दो. एंड फॉर सजेशंस you can fill the suggestion form. So that's it about the video. Let's meet in my next video. Till then, take care, tata and bye bye. See you all.